All right, y'all, we back, and we have another one. 1990 Cadillac Brougham. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Interior is nice and clean. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 7. Lower doors are solid. Let's check her out. We just checked out a 1992. And I was born in 1990, so this is my flavor. My favorite color red, and I like white vehicles. I'll buy this one any day. By the end of the video, y'all see why. If y'all checked out the last video, y'all drop down in the comments and tell me which one would y'all take home. The 1992 blue Cadillac Brougham or this 1990. I think that 92 did have a 5.7 in it. But I'd be alright with the 305. Check out that top. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jams in the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. She has the factory RPO code sticker. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. And the deck lid is automatic latching. She has all the options: power windows, power locks, digital gauge cluster. Mileage reads a little over 52,000. We'll check it out on startup. Seats show minor wear. Headliner. Check out that dash. Got a little brougham. Upper dash. Lower. Can't go wrong with a Cadillac. Back seat in good condition also. Nice and clean. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has a 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, AC, power steering, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. She fire right up. As y'all can see, the mileage reached a little over 52,000. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollingmuseums.com. I got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.